Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pin the Gmail application onto your taskbar. So let's get started right away. Now, whichever version of Windows that you are using, whether it's Windows 10 or 11, you can just open up your web browser first to go into your Gmail account. Now within the URL section, type in gmail.com and press enter, and then you might be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already. Now you can either log in if you wish to do so, but you can do the following step without even logging in. Just click on the three dots at the top right corner of your web browser, and then from the settings menu, hover over to apps. Now from the apps page, you will find install this site as an app option. Go ahead and click on it, and now you can rename this application whatever you want, and you can also change the icon by clicking on the edit option. After setting up both of these, click on the install button, and now this will create an application shortcut for Gmail within your desktop. Now you will also have the option to pin this to your taskbar, so make sure you check on this and click on the allow button. If you accidentally skip this step when the Gmail application has been opened up, just right click on the taskbar for the Gmail application and then click on pin to taskbar. And now even after you close this, you will see that the Gmail application has been pinned to your taskbar. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the Gmail application and pin it to your taskbar for easy access. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.